guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today's shortcut quilt is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Download the free Layer Cake Crumpets pattern at Fat Quarter Shop. A link is in the description box. This pattern features a layout for lap, crib, or queen, and they all use layer cakes. Today we're making the lap version. You will need 1 layer cake, 2 1/8 yards background, 5/8 yard binding, and 3 5/8 yard backing. We are using the Lighter Rose collection by Bunny Hill Designs, and the Bella solid we're using today is 9900-182. After you've gathered your pattern and fabric, let's get sewing. Today we're going to be making 15 tea blocks and 15 breakfast blocks, and that's a total of 30 blocks. But I want you to notice before we start, the half square triangles are the same on each. The inside is the same. The only difference in the block is the fabric placement of the background and the print on these units right here. For all of my starch lovers out there, this pattern has enough fabric for you to be able to starch. We're going to first start by making 4 half square triangles for each block. Take a fabric D and a fabric A square, put them right sides together. Draw a line from corner to corner, and then you're going to stitch a 1/4 inch away from that line on both sides. Stitch a 1/4 inch away from that drawn line, and you can see we did that with red thread just so you can see what that looks like. You're going to use a regular cream thread when you're making yours. Then you're going to cut the drawn line. Each of these will make 2 half square triangles. I'm going to press this, and then we're going to trim this to 3.5 inches square. So what I like to do is use a Creative Grid square ruler and just trim it up. You should have just a tiny bit that you are trimming off. And then, like I said, you're going to have 4 for each of your blocks. Super easy, super beginner. Now for each block, we're going to make 4 rail units, and that is super simple. You're just going to sew a fabric B and a fabric E together with a 1/4 inch seam and press. And the great thing is, once you have done your half square triangles and your rail units, we're ready to make our blocks. It's as simple as that. The first thing you're going to do is sew together your first column with a 1/4 inch seam and press, and then add the third column with a 1/4 inch seam and press. Once those are into rows, you're going to sew that all together. You're going to make 15 T layer cake crumpet blocks, super easy. And what's great is then you're just going to make blocks that reverse the rail units, and these are called breakfast layer cake crumpets, and you will have 15 of each block. Super easy. Now we can assemble the quilt. Now you're going to lay out your blocks. For the lap size, you're going to have 5 blocks across, 6 blocks down, and you're going to alternate the blocks just like this. Then you're going to add a side border and a top and bottom border, and your quilt should measure 54 by 64. We put a really nice plaid on the binding, and of course a white floral for the backing. The Layer Cake Crumpets pattern is great for confident beginners. So if you're just a beginner and you want to move to the next level of quilting, this would be a great pattern to try. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.